If you like this video, make sure to visit our Vimeo page and follow us to get the latest update.
Yeah, we'll start. Your name is?
My name's Duygu Atbaka.
Okay, right. Okay. So, before going to start our session, I would like to ask you few questions. Don't worry, if you are able to answer, you can. If not, not an issue. Okay, just try to answer for my questions. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. First of all, what do you know about testing? Feel free. Don't think that testing, comes from sky or any other, books. Testing comes from basically human psychology. Okay, that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Okay, what is testing? Daigu.
Yeah. Testing? What is testing?
Exactly.
What's mean testing? Testing is measuring and testing. Was like your question, what's mean testing, right?
Yes. What do you know? Something about testing. What is testing? Like that. Okay.
Well, yeah, testing, that means how measured and testing and instrument under the specified condition, like
Yes.
that means, yeah, this is calibration, I think so. Yeah,
No, correct.
Yeah, right.
Whatever you have, you are giving your output. That is absolutely right.
Okay.
Yeah. The magic of testing is everybody, they know very well about the testing, but they don't know about that. They know very well. Again, I'm repeating, everybody, they know very well about testing, but unfortunately, they don't know that. They know very well. All right. If suppose you want to purchase a television, TV, correct? You have sufficient funds in your pocket. You want to purchase a television, you have a sufficient funds in your pocket, right?
Okay.
So what I'm trying to say is, when you entered into the showroom, right, can you purchase the TV directly in a single shot?
Yes. Yeah,
You have sufficient.
Actually, I don't understand a little bit. Your I'm sorry. Yeah, your accent is a little bit hard for me. Little bit, very. You have very strong accent.
Yeah, no
Can you
problem.
tell me
No
a little
problem.
bit, very, very slowly, please, because I understand like this very well. Yeah,
Yes.
you talk sometimes like very faster is not easy for me. Okay.
Yes, sure. No worry.
Okay.
Again, I'm asking you the question. Diogo, you have, you want to purchase a television, right?
Okay.
Now, you have a sufficient funds in your pocket. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to, you want to purchase television. You have a sufficient funds in your pocket. When you entered into the showroom, can you purchase directly?
Okay.
Directly, can you purchase?
Yes.
Yeah, before going to purchase, going to purchase,
okay,
you have to verify, right? For picture quality, picture resolution, whatever the functionalities you want, remote control operations, and all X, Y, Z, etc. You have to verify, correct?
Yes.
It means you are verifying the features, correct?
Okay.
So that is what testing. So why we are verifying the features? Ultimately to get the satisfaction, correct? Okay. Satisfaction.
Satisfaction. Okay.
Exactly. See, when we pay some X amount, when we pay some X amount,
Mhm.
we have to get 2X benefits. Correct.
Okay.
So that is what I'm thinking here. So you have to verify the functionality of the product. You have to verify, right, the functionality of the product. That is called testing.
Okay.
Agreed?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I have a question. When you talk about what's I don't understand this word. Can you explain for me?
Which one?
Or
Which one?
can you show me like functional or functional? You talk about functional, right?
Exactly, exactly. Just I'm defining, the definition for the
Uh-huh.
testing. Yeah, no worry, no worry. Regu,
Uh-huh.
just this is the initial, moment. I am just defining. I'm trying to define the testing definition from general psychology. When we
Yes.
enter into the syllabus, we'll do so many exercises. You will understand each and everything.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Now I understand now. Okay.
Yeah. So to purchase the final summary of my discussion, so far, what I have done is only the single statement is that to verify the functionality of the application to get the quality, to
Yes.
get the quality. So that is what testing. Okay. So since from the childhood, we are doing the same thing, correct? Even we can't purchase vegetables without doing this. Agreed. Raghu, we can't purchase vegetables without doing this activity. Agreed.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
that's what I have told to you clearly before we enter into the subject or starting this session. What I have told to you, everybody, everyone, everybody, they knows testing very well, but unfortunately, they don't know that they know very well. So this
Okay.
is what testing. Not me, not myself, not yourself. Everyone has to verify the functionality of the application or product to get the quality. That is what
Okay.
testing. Okay,
Okay.
Taigo,
Okay.
are you with me?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes. Do you have any doubts so far what we discussed? Just I defined the definition of single statement.
Okay.
Just I specified a definition. That's all.
Specified. Yes,
Is this
specified.
okay?
Okay.
You want me go forward?
What say?
You want me go forward?
Say
You want me
again?
continue? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Is this visible? My screen is? Taigo? Is this visible? My screen?
Yes.
Okay,
Your
that's fine.
screen.
Yeah,
Yes. Testing challenge is
exactly.
testing
See,
challenge. But yeah.
yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Yes.
When we go for any interview, when we go for any interview, so you will get, this is the first and foremost question which you are supposed to get. What are the testing challenges? What are the
Yes.
testing challenges you
What
faced?
are the
This is the
test?
first and foremost question when you go for any interview. Okay,
Okay.
now we are going to solve this. We are going to understand this. Okay, don't
Okay.
worry, be cool. Like we will go very, very slowly
Okay.
until your hands will get free, your mind will get free. You don't worry. I'm with you. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Wherever, whenever you are unable to understand, no worry. Once the topic will be finished, I'll give you the time. You just ask me questions. I'm very happy. facing questions from student, right?
Okay, thank you.
Yep. So, see, the first and foremost question, right, is that too many combinations of inputs to test. Too many combinations of inputs to test.
Combinations of it. Okay.
Yeah. Why? Because when you go for a financial product, when you go for financial product, when you go for right, avionics project, financial product, CRM product, customer relationship management product, you'll find so many conditions. You'll find so many conditions. Correct. Initially, you said a specific condition. Correct.
Okay.
When I asked about you testing definition, you said we need to verify based on the specific condition you said. So there are many specific conditions. Agreed. So you'll find a lot of conditions. Is this possible to cover each and every condition, Taigu? Is this possible?
Okay.
So which condition we have to encounter that is really, really difficult? I'm not telling that it is not possible, Daigu. It is possible, but it is difficulty, difficult activity. Right, to know all the conditions. To know all the conditions, it is really, really difficult, but still I'm telling you, I'm not saying that it is not possible, it is impossible. It is possible only, but it takes much time. It takes much time.
Okay.
That's the reason, what I can say is too many combinations of inputs to test. Too many combinations of inputs to test. Right. Okay. If there is a text box, you take one, I will give you one example. So you take one application, in that one field is there, username field, like your Gmail, we have some Xmail, in that you will find out one field.
Okay.
The field name is user name. Is this text box or not? Is this text box or not?
Okay.
Yeah. Is this text box or not? Daigu, text box means some input you are giving into your username. Agreed?
Okay.
Now, today only you have joined into my company. I'm your QA lead. I'm your lead. I'm your lead. Today only you have joined into my company. I'm asking you to test a particular field. I am asking you to test the particular field.
Particular
field. Yeah, field. Okay. But I have not given you any information, whether it is accepting the characters or digits or some XYZ. I have not given anything to you. There you go. But I am asking you to test. Okay.
Okay.
If this is the case, really it is difficult for you or not to find out what exactly it is accepting, to find out what exactly it is accepting, really it is difficult for you or not?
Okay.
First, you have to go with characters. See how many characters will be there. You will test with A, you will test with B, you will test with C combination. So how many characters will be there? 26 characters, correct?
Yes.
You have to test with each and every alphabetic. Agreed?
Say again?
You have to test with absolutely each and every alphabetic, correct?
Okay, correct.
So I'm asking you to test the combination. Combination in the sense 26 factorial. Oh my God, even we don't know how much it is. I can say 26 lakhs combinations, roughly. Roughly, I figure out 26 lakhs combinations. Hey Daigu, can you tell me now, is this possible to test the particular field with 26 lakhs combinations.
Yeah, too many combination inputs to tests.
Is this possible with, to test? Is this possible to test with 26, lakhs combinations for one particular field? Even my son, myself and my son, my grandson, everybody has to involve in the process. Agreed.
Yes. Uh-huh.
So nobody will give you that much of time. Within the
Yes.
time only, we have to show the magic. Of course, we have beautiful techniques to save
Yes.
our time. You don't worry. Later on, you will come to know. That is the first challenge, right? And the second challenge is not enough time to test properly. Yeah, already we discussed, right, Daigu?
Yes.
So yeah, to test with 26 slash factors. If suppose I'm asking you to test with digits in your username, do you have digits or not? Will you find out digits also or not? Digits, right?
Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that.
Okay.
So you take 10 factorial, combinations in the sense 10 factorial. I can say 10 lakhs. Some special characters also there or not in your username. Oh, brain. Oh, first Swiss brain. Correct?
Yes.
Like that. Anils, Daigus. So like that. So if at all we want to test each and every combination, no, it takes much time, but nobody will give you that enough time. Okay,
Okay.
that is the second trouble. Within the time only, we have to show the magic. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So what is the third one?
Third one.
Third
Difficulty
one,
in third
yeah,
one. You ask you. This is difficulty in determining the expected result of each
correct,
test.
exactly.
Yes.
Yes, perfectly fine, exactly.
Thank you.
Right. So to determine the expected result of each test, see, if at all you want to test a particular application, if at all you want to test a particular application, what do you require? You require
Yes.
expected data. Agreed or not?
Right. Okay.
If suppose you have pen in your hand, pen, okay,
Yes.
pen.
Yes.
If
I
at
have pen.
all, yeah, I am asking you to test that pen. First of all, you require pen expectations. Agreed.
Yes.
You don't know anything about pen expectations. Then how can you judge whether the pen is working perfectly fine or not? It is really difficult. Correct?
Yes.
So that's the reason what I'm trying to say is sometimes it is very easy to to find expected data. Sometimes it is really we can understand the requirement, we can understand the requirement, but we may fail to expect the expected value. So what is expected data? If suppose you take the same username, you take the same username, okay,
Okay.
very good. Yeah. What is expected data? Now I am explaining. So enter the data into the username. Enter the data into the username. What is expected data? The given data should be accepted. I don't know whether it is accepting or not. I don't know really whether no, it is accepting or not. But how she is telling expectation. Daigo
Expectation.
entered some data. It should be accepted. Really, Daigo don't know. She's expecting. Agreed?
Yes. Expectation.
Yeah. So enter the password. Yeah. It should be accepted. Anil don't know. Just Anil is expecting this. Okay.
Okay.
Whether which is really accepting or not, that will be tested by another test engineer by finding the actual data. Agreed?
Yes.
Yes. In the same way, I'm asking you to test something. Right. If at all you want to test, it is a pen, it is a paper, it is a television, or
Yes.
it is or anything in the world. You should find the expectations by understanding the requirements given by your organization. Given by your organization. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If you are so why it is difficulty, I'm not telling that it is not possible. Yes, sometimes we every time we understand the requirements, but sometimes we may feel difficulty to understand the expected data. We are unable to understand the requirement, but why exactly it is, we may fail to understand in our life also. In our life also, sometimes we are doing some things, but sometimes we are doing some things, but we are unable to understand why we are doing that particular things. When it has given bad result, then we will realize, yes, I have done wrong thing. Am I right or wrong?
Okay.
Yes. If suppose in our human life also, yeah, I'm telling you again, in our human life also, we are doing something sometimes unnecessarily. Agreed?
Yeah.
When we have got wrong results, then we will realize about those things. Agreed?
Yes.
Yes. In the same way, here also, we can understand the requirements mostly. Sometimes the knowing the expectations is really difficult. Sometimes, in some cases, not every case is Daigu. In some cases, I'm telling you,
Some cases,
some cases, some
Okay.
situations we may unable to understand the expectations of the client.
Expectations. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give you simple example. If suppose today, okay, so
Okay.
far I have given you three universal challenges. Universal challenges. The first one will be too many combinations of inputs to test. Second one will be not enough time to test properly. Third one will be difficulty in determining the expected results of the each test. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. The last one, but not least one, non-existent or rapidly changing the requirements. This is the universal problem. This is the universal problem. Changing is the matter here. Changing is the matter here. Hey, if suppose
Okay.
I have allocated you one chair. Okay, you have joined into my training room. Okay, I have given you one chair. Right, I have allocated or I have allotted a chair to you. Agreed?
Okay.
10 days, right? You are into the same chair. 11th day, I'm asking you to change your seat. I'm asking you to change your seat. I'm asking you to sit in another chair. Agreed.
Yes.
If I'll ask you to change the chair, you may feel uncomfortable or not. You may feel
Okay.
uncomfortable or not.
What say?
If suppose I'm asking you to change your chair, I'm asking you to
Yeah, you
change your.
ask me. You ask me. I don't understand. You
Okay, that's
ask
fine.
me.
Yeah, I'm asking you you to change your chair.
Chair.
Yeah, chair.
Chair.
Yeah, chair.
Chair.
Yes. You forget about that. If suppose from past 10 years you are staying into one house. From past
My
10 years you are
my
staying
house.
into your house. Just
Yes.
example I'm giving you. Example.
For
Okay.
example, this is example, right? For
Just
example.
example. Exactly. You're right. So you are staying in a house from
Yes.
past 10 years. Okay. Right.
Okay.
So suddenly you have shifted to new house. Suddenly you have shifted to new house. Okay.
Okay.
So for few days, for
Okay.
10 days, at 20 days, at 30 days, you may feel uncomfortable or not.
Comfortable. A few days. Comfortable.
For few days,
Yes.
for
Okay.
few days, you're gonna uncomfortable or not.
I don't
Because
understand.
you may feel that that area will be very new to you. Correct? Persons are strangers. You feel very new, you feel very new to that area. All right. For few days, at least for 1 week. Agreed?
Okay.
So that is the matter. Changing is the matter. Changing is the matter. So here also during the project, you know, keep on the requirements are going to be changed. If suppose I'm your client. You are from software engine, you are from software company. Daigu is from software company, right? Anil is Daigu's client. Okay, if I'll be your client, right? Keep on. I may ask you to change the requirements. Yes, keep on. I may ask you to change the requirements, Daigu. You should not reject each and every of my requirement. If you will reject me, I will reject you. I don't give you the contract to your company. Okay. Is this true or not, Daigu?
Okay.
Yeah. If suppose we both belongs to one company. Okay. Daigu and Anil belongs to one company. Okay. We got a big project from company, one client, big project from one client. Okay, Daigu.
Okay.
Initially, the client has given us some requirements, Daigu. 100 requirements the client has given. How many, Daigu?
Hundreds.
100.
Hundreds.
Exactly. Exactly.
Requirements. Okay.
Exactly. You're right. Correct. 100 requirements client has given. Then we both started understanding those requirements. Right. Some other day, the client has given more 100 requirements.
Okay.
More 100 requirements he has given us. So again, Anil and Daigu started understanding 200 requirements. 200 previous 100 requirements and present 100 requirements. We both are trying to implement, understand 100 requirements, 200 requirements. And then again client is asking us to delete a few requirements. Client is asking us to delete few requirements. Again we have deleted and we are trying to understand. It's really difficult for us or not, Daigu? To modify, to understand, again understanding. Is this really difficult or not? Like,
Yes.
you
Difficult.
feel, is this very happy? Definitely you may uncomfortable, right?
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Now you got, right? My point.
Say again?
Now you got, right?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. So keep on, if the requirements are changing again and again, really it is difficult for us to understand. So these are all universal challenges. The first one will be, now you have to study. What is the first one?
Where is the last one?
First one. Yeah.
Too many combination of inputs to test.
Yeah. Do you understand that?
Yeah, that
So
not
I
too
have given you
much.
example. Yes.
For example, yes, too many combination of inputs to test.
Give an
Yes.
example, right? You understood, right? Go
Yes,
for
can
second
you
one.
give me the example? For example, too many is think like I don't know, supply something. Too many combination together
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
inputs to tests.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Like,
Yes.
okay, can you explain a little bit?
Yeah, I have given you a username example, right? Username is there. I'm asking you to test with each and every combination,
Okay.
right? Then you can go with the characters. You have to go with each and every character. Means each and every character combination means alphabetic combinations. You can test with A, you can test with P, you can test with ABC, you can test with D, you can test with A, B, C, D, like that. There are, we got 26 lakhs combinations. That is what I have
Oh,
told to you, right? So
okay.
if it is possible to test 26 lakhs combinations, then how much time it takes? 40 years it takes time. 100 years it takes time. Will you get that much of time from any company? No, right?
Okay.
That is the second one. See, can you read it? Can you read
Not
it?
enough time to
Yeah,
test properly.
correct.
Yeah. Not enough the time to test properly. And we don't have
Nobody,
time.
yeah, nobody will give you that much of time, 40 years, 80 years, 100 years.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So if that is yes, so you and your sons, your grandsons, myself, my son, my grandson, everybody has to work in the same company. Agree?
Okay.
So not
Okay.
enough time to test properly. Means within the time only we have to show the magic. Within the time only we have to perform the activities. Right?
Okay. Yes. Right.
Go to third one.
You say?
Third one. Third one.
Third one.
Yeah.
Difficulty in determining the expected result of each test.
Right. Already I've given example, student example I have given. Right.
Yes.
Sometimes we cannot understand expectations of the students. So
Yeah.
daily we are going to meet many people. We cannot understand sometimes, sometimes expectations of the customer.
Yes.
We can understand sometimes we may fail. Customer is thinking something, we are thinking something.
Okay.
But that situation is quite happened or not? Quite
Okay.
happened in the market or not? That situation. So in the testing also, sometimes we may fails to understand the requirements. That is what you need to understand. Sometimes we may fails to understand the requirements. And the last one, non-existent or rapidly changing the requirements. So keep on if the requirements are going to be changed. Your scope will be creep. Your scope of the project will be creep.
Okay.
Right, that is another universal problem. That's it. That is
Yes.
about
Universal problem. It's
exactly universal problem.
you
Changing
talk
is the
about
universal
yeah.
problem.
Yes.
Right, changing is the universal problem. If
Yes.
suppose you are using one kind of pattern always in your dresses or dresses, you are preferring one kind of designing, right? Always you are interested to purchase one kind of design. Suddenly you want it to be changed, right? Another pattern or another design. For few
Yes.
days you may feel uncomfortable or not,
Mm-hmm.
right? For
Yes.
few days at least. So changing is the matter here. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, that's fine. So this is the first and foremost question when you go for any interview, Daigu.
Okay.
So we have taken this concept from certification. Okay.
Say again?
We have taken this concept for certification, from certification content.
Okay.
So you must remember, you should remember this topic today, what I have shared with you so far. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
What's the next topic?
testing principles. Principles. Yep.
Yeah.
Testing principles, right? This word,
Yeah.
principles.
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 Say again?
Principles. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So some
What-
standards. You can say
Okay.
some standards. Standards.
Say again?
Standards.
Okay.
You can say some standards.
Sun
Standards. Standards.
sentence. Okay.
Thumb rules. Thumb rules. You can say thumb rules.
Stumble.
Yeah. Thumb rules. Rule. RULES. Thumb rules.
R U
LES. RULES.
rules.
Yes. Thumb
Okay.
rules. Thumb
Okay.
rules.
This is rule. That means principles. That means rules.
Yes. Rules.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So why actually we are giving this topic is everyone should follow some standards. Okay. Everyone should follow some principles. Everyone should follow some rules. Everyone,
Okay.
everyone. Yes. Irrespective of, their designation.
Okay.
I may be test engineer, you may be test engineer, another person may be test engineer. We all need to follow some, certain standards or certain rules or
Rules. Okay.
principles.
Principles.
What are they? What are they? Now, I'm going to disclose. Okay,
Okay.
we'll see one by one. What's the first one? Can you read it?
Exhaustive testing is impossible.
Exhaustive testing is impossible. Exhaustive testing is impossible.
Exhaustive testing is impossible.
Yeah. You can take the word exhaust.
Exhaust. Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes we may exhaust with the work. Correct? With the work.
Exhausting.
Correct?
Exhausting. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like that. Okay. So exhaustive testing is impossible. Why? Because already we have seen many examples from my previous topic, right? Exhaustive testing, nothing but so to test with each and every combinations. That is called exhaustive. Is this possible or not?
Okay.
Exhaustive testing is possible or not? It's impossible.
It's impossible. Okay.
Yes. Right. And the second one, these are all thumb rules.
It
Right?
means rule. Yeah. Rules.
Yeah, rules.
Okay.
This is the one rule. Whatever I
This
have
is
given you.
these are all rules.
Exactly, which
Okay.
have to follow
First,
by everyone.
Can you say again this word exhaustive?
Yeah, exhaustive testing is impossible.
Okay.
Don't worry. Anyway, you will get my recording. You don't need to worry. Multiple times you can listen my classes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can collect recordings from our IT department. So you can collect and multiple times you can listen my classes. You don't need to worry about that. We are with you always. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Testing shows presence of the defects. Testing shows presence of the defect.
Presence of defect.
Yes, presence of the defect. So testing does not show its absence. If suppose you purchased one TV, television, okay.
Okay.
There is a mistake in that. There is a defect in that. There is a defect in that. If not today, tomorrow it will comes out. If not today, tomorrow it will comes out. Definitely, right?
Yes.
If not today, tomorrow it will comes out. If not by Daigu, Anil may find out. Agreed totally.
Okay.
Yes, testing shows presence of the defect. Presence in the sense, definitely it should come out. It should come out. If the defect is there, it should come out. Not by today, maybe tomorrow. Not by Anil, maybe Daigu. Maybe from Daigu end. The defect has to come out. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Yes, that is the second principle. So you should keep all, you should keep all these statements into your mind. You should keep all this, you should keep remembering always these statements, what I'm telling you right now, into your mind. That's what you need to understand. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Third one will be defect clustering. Third one will be
Yeah,
defect.
defect clustering. Yeah.
Yeah, what is cluster? You just tell me. Cluster in the sense?
Clustering. I don't know. Defect clustering. I don't know what's mean clustering.
What is cluster? You don't know, right?
No.
No.
I don't know.
No worry. I'm there.
No.
I'm there. No worry. I'll explain you. So, clustering in the sense group.
Defect clustering. That means group.
Clustering in the sense group.
What's it?
Clustering. I mean to say clustering in the sense group.
Defect clustering.
Nothing but group.
Okay, I understand. Group. Clustering. That means group. Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm
Defect
using-
clustering in the sense defects
I'm using-
group.
That's when sometimes I don't understand that word because I'm not talking English. Sometimes I'm confused. I'm using translation this word. That means group. I understand now.
Yeah. But being the trainer, we have to use universal English, right?
Yeah,
UK.
translate. Yeah, I have to do because impossible. This is impossible. I can't because I was born in Turkey. I'm not. I'm not born here.
Yes. But don't
I
worry.
was
Don't worry.
born
Yeah.
different country.
Daigu, wherever you feel the difficulty,
Yeah.
right? You just ask me the spell. I'll spell out. I'll give you spelling. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. I'll coordinate with you in that. I understood your problem, but I'll definitely coordinate with you. Though we are using universal English, either UK or USA English. You don't worry.
Yes. Yep. The. I don't know. I'm talking. I'm listening. I understand you. Sometimes I don't understand. Really, I don't understand you. I'm trying. I'm sorry.
No worry.
But yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wherever you are unable to understand, wherever spell you feel differ, you just ask me. Right? I will wait for I will wait until you understand. No worry.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So defect clustering, nothing but don't think that defects are alone. Defects always group it together. Defects always group it together. If suppose I'll ask you one question.
Okay.
Tegu, I'll ask you one question now. Can I?
Which one's question? You talk
I will
about.
ask you. No, I will ask you now.
Ask
now I will
me?
ask you. Yes, I will ask you. Wait.
Which one? defect clustering.
Yes.
Yeah, defect
Yes.
clustering. Yes. Okay.
Yes. The question is, will you prefer to stay alone? Will you prefer to stay alone?
Yes.
Okay. But sometimes sometimes you wish to meet the people or not. You wish to watch the film or not. Film.
Meet the people. Sometimes meet the people risk.
Yes, yes. You have to,
Or
right? You have
yes.
to.
Yes. Yes.
Sometimes, you have to watch, right? The film.
Yeah. Yes. 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 Right.
Sometimes you have to engage yourself, right? Sometimes means, you have to enjoy yourself, right?
Yes. Enjoy myself. Yes. We have to do because
Yes, yeah, yeah. Sometimes you have to, talk with your neighbors, right? Neighbors.
Yeah, we have to talk. My neighbor. We have to talk. My friend. Yeah.
Exactly.
Sometimes.
Yes,
Yes.
it means Daigu, she is not interested to stay alone for a long time. Agreed or not? Even Anil also, right? So
Okay.
how you are mingling in a group in the same way, don't think that defect can be ideal. Defect cannot be ideal. Just try to understand Daigu. Defect cannot be ideal. So why I'm giving you this information is, if suppose you will be joined into one company as a test engineer, Daigu. Suppose you will get the job.
Uh-huh.
You have joined as a test engineer. Agreed? Okay, Daigu.
Okay. Duygu. My name is Duygu. Can you
Daigu.
say again? Duygu. Yes.
Daigu.
Duygu. Yeah. Right.
Daigu. Okay.
Right. Duygu. Mhm.
Okay. Daigu got job into one company, right? So as a test engineer, right? Once you identify the defect, don't think that defect can be ideal, or you cannot, because of that defect you cannot get any defect. Definitely you may get one defect, may cause to get many defects. This rule you must keep remembering into your mind. Do you go?
Okay.
So don't think that defect can be ideal. Yes, once you identify the defect, then and there itself perform in detail testing. Then and there itself to perform in-depth testing, in detail testing.
Yes.
That is what I'm asking you to perform. Okay, when you enter into a real-time environment, if you are working as a test engineer, once you identify the defect, don't think that we cannot get any other defect. One defect may cause to get many defects. And general example is, if suppose uh, if suppose in your personal life you will get one mistake, right? You have done one mistake. Okay.
Okay.
Unfortunately, wantedly though nobody will perform. Unfortunately, we performed one mistake. That mistake make us to get multiple mistakes or not. That mistake may cause to get multiple mistakes or not. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Okay.
Yes. In the same way, once we identify the defect, don't think that no more defects in the application. We may get multiple defects. Multiple defects. Right. Yes. Are you with me?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. So that is what defect clustering.
Excuse
So
me. Say again.
yeah. So this is the information, right? Defect clustering we have done.
Okay.
Testing shows presence of the defect. Exhaustive testing is impossible. Okay.
Oh,
Right
yeah.
now done. Right
Yeah,
now
okay.
done.
Okay.
Because as it is your first class, I don't go forward. Right. But every day we have 1.5 hour session. Don't worry.
Okay.
Right. All the best. Take care.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to visit our Vimeo page and follow for more upcoming videos.